Hello and welcome to Gentle English. Today we will practice 3 very useful patterns. I have a. I want a. I need a. You will hear 5 sentences for each pattern. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat out loud. Let us begin.
I have a car. I have a dog. I have a new phone. I have a headache. I have a good idea.
I have a car. I have a dog. I have a new phone. I have a headache. I have a good idea.
I want a sandwich. I want a new job. I want a big garden. I want a cold drink. I want a long holiday.
I want a sandwich. I want a new job. I want a big garden. I want a cold drink. I want a long holiday.
I need a doctor. I need a break. I need a pen. I need a bigger bag. I need a map.
I need a doctor. I need a break. I need a pen. I need a bigger bag. I need a map. Now let us learn the negative form. It is very simple. To make a negative sentence, just add do not after I. Listen. I have a car. I do not have a car. I want a sandwich. I do not want a sandwich. I need a doctor. I do not need a doctor. You can also use the short form. Do not becomes don't. I don't have a car. I don't want a sandwich. I don't need a doctor. Same meaning. Both are correct. Now you try. Say, I don't have a. I don't want a. I don't need a. Use your own words. Excellent work. You practiced 3 important patterns today. Pattern 1, I have a. Pattern 2, I want a. Pattern 3, I need a. Try to use one of these patterns in a real sentence today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Gentle English. A new lesson is waiting for you. See you next time.